5K and 3,800 winners. Which perfume's the best? I need a perfume. Too expensive though. Like 100 euros for such a bottle? I don't know. Kinda expensive. There we go. Pachinko 3X. Could we have like a crazy town perfume? What would the smell be like? Jean-Paul Gaultier. Whoa. You're dropping the big words on me. Only the brave. I don't even know that one. That's Pachinko 3X, people. Woo! Alright. Smell of Pachinko in the morning. Better than napalm. Okay, guys. 3X Pachinko. Let's see what's up. Let's see the board. Let's see the board. Come on. Silver Surfer. 7, 10, 20, 15 is there. 100 is there. 200 double on the right side. Triple it all. So 600X max. But there's only one. 300 is nice. A lot of nice things. But the one is not like the other. Good luck, people. Ooh, 3X Pachinko. Come on. Beautiful GPS precision. Come on. Yes. Got it. 600X. Woo!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Somebody